Okay, we're almost full. He's dumping some more. See, look in the mirror. That's what it looks like. Woo! Got real close that time. All the weeds, huh? Putting it all in the truck. When he honks his horn, we'll have to go and dump it. Pup's paying attention. See, this is steering wheel. There's all the brakes. Oh, I gotta turn that off. Dumping another load. Woo, look at all that. All going in the back of the truck. Whoa, it's out there by my window. Look at this. Woo, I can grab it. It's like flowers. I can hardly see. All right. I think he's dumping the last one in the back of the truck. It's a big one. See if you can see it. Can you see it? Is it coming? Whoa. Oh, he honked his horn. Okay, it's time to go. I take the brake off. Put it in gear. And here we go. We're ready. We're moving. We're moving, see? Woohoo! Here we go! I gotta hurry up, dump this load, and come back and get another one. Hopefully there's nobody on the trail. We got it all closed down. So nobody should be out here walking around for safety. I don't want to run anybody over. But we're moving, huh? See out the window? See the ponds, all the ducks. Okay. Driving around the trail. All the stuff blowing in the wind. Okay, got a sharp turn here. Woo! Pop's turning the wheel. Looking both ways. Nobody's coming. Here we go. Okay, we're moving. We gotta dump it over here on top of this big pile. Big pile of dirt over there I'm dumping next to. Whoa, bumpy road. Oh, so bumpy, so bumpy. Ah, there's where we're gonna dump it. So now I'm gonna turn. We're gonna back up. Okay, we're gonna flip this lever. And we're gonna turn this light on. That red light goes on. I'm gonna put it in reverse. And then we're gonna start backing up. Backing up into this spot. Woo, okay. Put it in neutral. Lift this lever. The light comes on. The back of the truck's starting to go up. See it? See it? It's dumping. It's going up real high. Okay. Now you gotta pull forward. We're gonna pull forward a little bit. Dump the load. Here it comes. It's coming out. Okay, that means it's empty. Now we're gonna lower it back down. Bed's coming down. Coming on down now. It's almost down. Okay, close the gate. Put it in gear. And we're gonna go get another one. All right, I'll see you in a bit. This is kind of fun. Bye-bye.